Playing for one's own country is a matter of great pride for every sportsperson. But sometimes this does not work out due to lack of good opportunities or because the player migrated to a different country. While their love for their country of origin remains the same, they are proud to be a part of the national team of a different country. Welcome to Simri Chuma. Today we are going to talk about the first part of the top 10 famous cricketers who did not play for their country of birth. While we were researching, we found several of these and therefore decided to make this into a series. Before we get on with the list, we at Simri Chuma make interesting and entertaining videos on cricket and other sports. We used to make non-sports videos as well, but now that has shifted to a new channel called Simply Curious, so don't forget to check it out. Number 10. Sikandar Raza. Sikandar Raza is a Pakistani-born Zimbabwean international cricketer who plays all formats primarily as an all-rounder. Born in Sialkot, Raza emigrated to Zimbabwe in 2001 when he was 15 years old along with his family. He soon became one of the best batsmen in the domestic competition and caught the eye of the Zimbabwe selectors. The only problem was citizenship, which was granted to him in 2011. Number 9. Chris Jordan. Chris Jordan is a Barbadian-born English cricketer. Jordan and both his parents were born in Barbados. His maternal grandparents are British citizens though. After finishing his schooling in Barbados, he gained a sporting scholarship to complete his formal education at Dulwich College in England, after which he started playing for Sussex County Cricket Club in domestic cricket and was selected to play for the English national team, mostly in the shorter formats of the game. Number 8. Grant Elliott. The son of a South African plastic surgeon, he was born in Johannesburg and played for Gauteng. On the advice of former New Zealand Test skipper Ken Rutherford, who saw the quota system possibly blocking his path to higher honours, Elliott left his native Johannesburg for New Zealand in 2001. He played one match for South Africa A against India A before he qualified to play for New Zealand in 2007. Ironically, Elliott contributed a man of the match performance to provide entrance to New Zealand's first ever World Cup final by beating South Africa in 2015. Number 7. Jofra Archer. Jofra Archer is a Barbadian-born English cricketer who plays internationally for England and in English domestic cricket for Sussex County Cricket Club. Though his father Frank Archer is English and his mother Joelle Wyeth is Barbadian, Jofra Archer was born and raised in Barbados, but he holds British citizenship through his father. He moved to England when he was 20. Archer had played for West Indies under-19 3 times in 2014. Now he's an integral part of the England team. Number 6. Jonathan Trott. Jonathan Trott is a South African-born former professional cricketer who played international cricket for the England cricket team. Trott was born in Cape Town to a South African family of English descent. A resident of Stellenbosch, he played for South Africa at both the under-15 and under-19 levels. As he holds a British passport, Trott is not considered an overseas player in county cricket. Soon with his batting talent, he represented England and played more than 100 international matches for England with a spectacular average of 51 in ODIs. Number 5. Robin Singh. This Indian all-rounder, though of Indian descent, was born and brought up in Trinidad and Tobago. He moved to India when he was 19 years old. He gave up his Trinidad and Tobago passport so that he could become an Indian citizen and play for India's national cricket team. Number 4. Nasir Hussain. Nasir Hussain was born in Madras, now Chennai, in the state of Tamil Nadu in India. His father was a descendant of the Nawab of Arcot. His father also played Ranji Trophy for Tamil Nadu. Hussein's mother was British, and when Nasir was 7, his family moved to England for better education for him and his siblings. Soon, his cricketing and leadership skills went on to make him the captain of England for quite some time. Number 3. Imran Tahir. Imran Tahir was born in Lahore, Pakistan and learnt the game while growing up there. Being the eldest sibling, he started working at the age of 16 as a retail salesman at Lahore's Space Shopping Mall on a meager salary to support his family. His fortunes, however, changed when he was selected during trials to represent the Pakistan under-19 cricket team, eventually progressing onto the Pakistan A side on some tours. He moved to South Africa in search of the love of his life, who he eventually married, and soon started playing for South Africa. Number 2. Kevin Pietersen. Kevin Pietersen was born and raised in South Africa. He made his first-class debut for Natal, but he was not happy with the racial quota system in South African cricket. As his mother was English, he did not have any problem moving to England and started playing for England from 2004. Number 1. Andrew Symonds. Many of you might not know this, but Andrew Symonds was born in England and one of his biological parents was of West Indian background while the other was believed to be Danish or Swedish. Symonds' adoptive parents, Ken and Barbara, moved to Australia shortly after his adoption. What do you think of this list? Do let us know in the comment section below. And if you have any video suggestions, then please keep them coming. We are a little behind on the suggestion videos, but don't worry, they are in the pipeline and very soon we will be releasing them. If you enjoy this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Do share them with your friends and family, and we are a highly informative cricket and sports based channel. Don't forget to check out our other videos and do hit subscribe.